Rotating Vault Azure Auth is a critical process that ensures the security and integrity of your HashiCorp Vault environment. This guide will walk you through the steps to rotate your Vault Azure Auth. First, understand what rotating Vault Azure Auth means. Rotating Azure Auth involves updating the credentials used by Vault to authenticate with Azure, such as client IDs and client secrets. This is essential to maintain security and comply with organizational policies. To begin, log into your Vault instance using the Vault CLI or the Vault UI. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform this operation. Next, navigate to the Azure Auth backend configuration. This is typically found under the Auth section in the Vault UI or by using the Vault Auth list command in the CLI. Identify the Azure Auth mount path and the current client ID and client secret being used. Take note of these values as you will need them later. Then, create a new client ID and client secret in Azure AD. This can be done through the Azure portal by registering a new application and creating a client secret. Once you have the new credentials, update the Azure Auth backend configuration in Vault. Use the Vault Auth update command in the CLI or the Vault UI to update the client ID and client secret. Ensure you are updating the correct auth mount path. After updating the credentials, verify that the rotation was successful. Use the Vault Auth test command to test the Azure Auth backend. If the test is successful, the rotation is complete. Best practices dictate that you should rotate your Vault Azure Auth credentials regularly, ideally every 90 days. This ensures that even if a credential is compromised, its validity is limited. Additionally, always follow the principle of least privilege when creating new credentials, ensuring they have only the necessary permissions to function. In conclusion, rotating Vault Azure Auth is a straightforward process that ensures the security of your Vault environment. By following these steps and best practices, you can maintain a secure and compliant Vault instance. Regularly rotating your Azure Auth credentials is essential to protecting your organization's sensitive data.